Getting together with Hoosier Crane was kind of over a long-term relationship that we've had working with them in LaPorte. They've done several projects for us. We like their work, confident in their work, and with them being 40 minutes from us, made it easy to design the project from the get-go and just progress through. And it's been a real pleasure working with Hoosier Crane. They've addressed all of our needs. When we changed our capacities, it was no big deal. It was, hey, whatever you need, we'll get at it and get you going.
So we built 6 cranes in total. We built 3 20 tons and 3 40 tons. 2 of the 20 tons had dual hoists to allow for a load turning application with our customer. And both of those are coming with a Magnatech Magnatech Flex 12 EX2 radio to allow the customer to operate both hoists and trolleys at the same time. As well as with the 40 ton, there was 2 of those that were load turning applications with dual hoists as well.
Getting into more of a heavy industrial style fan blowers that we really couldn't do before, work that we had to turn away or couldn't go after because we didn't have the lifting capacity to safely build it.
We had some challenges that we faced along the way, but the guys did a great job of facing that adversity and sticking to be able to hit our timeline with delivery.
They deliver a good quality product on time. This was actually a big concern of mine on the whole project, was getting the bridge cranes installed, getting them installed on time. Everything is going good. I think we're planned to be completed with the cranes by the end of next week. So we are right on schedule from that standpoint.